You will need a jug, a sample bottle and some alcohol cleaner as shown. Close off the inlet valve as we want to sample system water entering the protector and not treated water. Spray the test point with the alcohol cleaning solution. Place the jug under the test point and draw off an amount of water to flush the test valve. Now use a sample bottle to take the amount of water your test lab requires. Replace the lid, ensuring you only touch the outer part. Fill in the required details on the label. Open back up the inlet valve. Check and adjust the regulation valve if required.